Therefore, to us, a holistic reading of Article 146 alongside Article 152 of the 2010 Constitution, and in relation to the filling of a vacancy in the office of the Deputy President in this matter, yields the meaning that the person who assumes the office after the impeachment of the Deputy President shall, unless otherwise lawfully removed from this office, hold that office until further orders of this court or until the current term of the President ends, whichever comes first. The foregoing demonstrates that the structure of the Constitution, which reflects the popular will of Kenyan citizens, envisions a scenario in which the office of the Deputy President will always be filled except during the brief period of required to fill the vacancy as already stated above. Based on the foregoing, we now turn to the nature of the conservatory orders in this matter. It is widely accepted that the purpose of conservatory orders is to preserve the status quo pending further orders of this court. The Supreme Court in Gatirau Peter Munya and Dixon Mwenda Idinja and two others say as much. In this case, maintaining the status quo would mean, one, that the first petitioner remains impeached under Article 145, sub-Article 7, which affirms the finality of the impeachment process with the following provision, I quote, "If at least 2/3 of all members of Senate vote to uphold an impeachment charge, the Deputy President shall cease to hold office." End of quote. Two, additionally, the prevailing status quo will mean that the Deputy President nominee, Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki, does not assume office. With such an approach, while such an approach may seem fair, reasonable, and balanced, and one which this court would ordinarily be inclined to adopt, the unique nature of the Deputy President role under the 2010 Constitution suggests a different course. Allowing these orders to stand will leave the office of the Deputy President vacant. The problem, however, is that no other person is authorized to carry out the constitutional functions specifically assigned to the Deputy President under Article 147, sub-Article 2, once those assigned by the President revert to the President in the absence of an office holder. The result would be a de facto suspension of Article 147(2) of the Constitution, an outcome that no court should knowingly permit. For clarity, this court firmly holds that no court should issue orders that have the effect of suspending the operation of any provision of the Constitution, such an outcome is clearly not envisioned by the document itself. The Constitution was not handed to Kenyans on a silver platter. No, it was achieved through great struggle and sacrifice. Therefore, it is the duty of the court to uphold its provisions as intended by the framers and as demanded by the people of Kenya.